This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton RNL06 and RDL06 LED CFL incandescent rotary dimmers. Please be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams provided with the product. If you are unsure about any part of the instructions, or if you are not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, contact an electrician. When installing and terminating this Leviton device, have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, a handheld voltage tester, and properly sized wire connectors. Installation takes approximately 15 minutes. The process shown follows general guidelines, but local electrical codes take precedence. To start, turn the power off to the original device at the circuit breaker. Carefully remove the device you are replacing by unscrewing the mounting screws and gently pulling the device from the wall. Then use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now, disconnect all the wires from the original device and straighten out all the wires within the wall box. In this application, we will also unscrew the wire connector with the ground wires and dispose of the additional piece of wire, often referred to as a pigtail wire. Then, straighten out the two remaining bare copper wires within the wall box. Please note that the white neutral wires are not required for this installation and should remain capped off within the wall box. Now we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Then carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut off the power, and test to ensure the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. For this example, in the wall box there is one black wire which is the hot, two bare copper wires which are the ground wires, and a second black load wire. Keep in mind the color of the wires can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you are unsure, contact an electrician. Make sure the ends of the wires from the wall box are straight and stripped approximately 5/8 of an inch. If not, you may need to strip them. First, we will proceed with the wiring of the RNL06. Then, we will show you the wiring for the RDL06. Take the green ground lead on the device and the two ground wall box wires and insert them into a properly sized wire connector, and twist clockwise until the conductors bottom out inside and can't be twisted further. Next, wire together one black lead on the dimmer and the black hot wall box wire. Finally, wire together the remaining black lead on the dimmer and the remaining black wire within the wall box. Dress the terminated wires with electrical tape to ensure stability before the device is installed in the wall box. The device is now terminated. We will now demonstrate the wiring for the RDL06. Take the green ground lead on the device and the two ground wall box wires and insert them into a properly sized wire connector and twist clockwise until the conductors bottom out inside and can't be twisted further. Next, wire together the black lead on the dimmer and the black hot wall box wire. Now, wire together the red lead on the dimmer and the black load wire within the wall box. Please note, there will be another red wire on the device with an insulating label. This wire is used for three-way applications. Do not remove this label for single-pole applications. Dress the terminated wires with electrical tape to ensure stability before the device is installed in the wall box. The device is now terminated. Before mounting, we are going to test the dimmer. Restore the power at the circuit breaker. For the RNL06 model, carefully hold the dimmer and rotate the knob clockwise to the highest position. The lights should turn on to the brightest level. For the RDL06 model, carefully hold the dimmer. Push the knob and rotate it clockwise to the highest position. The lights should turn on to the brightest level. If the lights do not turn on, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instruction sheet. Now, turn off power at the circuit breaker and complete the installation by carefully positioning all the wires to provide room in the wall box for the device. Mount the dimmer into the wall box with mounting screws. Then, remove the knob, attach the wall plate, and replace the knob by aligning with the D shape of the rotary shaft. Once installed, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Now your Leviton RNL06 or RDL06 LED CFL incandescent rotary dimmer is ready for use.